Today, I will show you how to make this motion graphic in Canva. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open Canva first and click on video. Here on video, choose video landscape. It's going to take you to this page. Right now, here on the background, you have to click on element and you have to add your element or your images that you want to use. For me, I want to use these three items. So I will make them like this. Increase them and make them small, like I'm doing, guys. So like this, maybe more. Yeah, right now it's better. So come here in this one and rotate it like this. And come also to this one and rotate it like this. And just make it in the right place. And now select all the items and click here group. After that, click add a page and go to text and add a text. So I will write something that described my images that I use, for example Choco, and I will click space just to make a space between a word and a word. Right now I will click vanilla and also some space and click strawberry. Yeah. Right now I will change the font. I prefer this font. And right now I will make this look big. Like this. Like I'm doing, just you have guys to follow me as I'm doing. So right now I think it's better. What I should do, I have to copy this, Control C, and come here, Control V. Oh no, it's not working. Yeah, so when I copy it, I have to make this word in the right place. Maybe like this, and I will click right click layer and click send backward. Right now I will select this image and I will decrease it and make it look bigger. Maybe like this, it's better. And I will click on right click layer, click on show layer, and I will select the background and I will change this background color. Maybe I will use this blue, and I will click again on layer, show layer, and click on my phrase, and I will change the color to the background color, and I will go to effect and go to left and decrease the intensity like this. Yeah, and make it like this. After that I will delete this page, we don't need it, and I will come to the first page and click on this three dot and click duplicate page. After duplicating the page, I will go here to this picture and I will rotate it like this, and I will put this image in the right place, and I will click right click and go to layer and click on show layer and I will go to this phrase and I will do like this. And right now I will go to background and I will change the background color. Maybe I will use this color. And also I will click again on layer, show layers, and go to this word or this phrase and change the color to the background color. Again, we will do the same for the third one. We will just duplicate this page first and click on this image and rotate it like this, and I will put it here. And right now I will click on right click, layers, show layers, and I will click here on this phrase and do like this, strawberry. Right now guys, maybe it's look better. I will click right now on the background and I will change the background color maybe to, I like this pink. And I will click also on the text and change the color text to the background text. And right now what I will do, I will come between these two pages and click add transition and go right now and click match and move and decrease the duration maybe to 1.5 and now let me see. And after that I will click apply between all pages and I will decrease this. And right now look at the final result. So I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you like it, leave a like, leave a subscribe, and see you in another tutorial.